we'll learn about pressing by massaging the ears. This diagram shows the acupoints located on each ear. These acupoints of the ear refer to the body parts indicated in the superimposed picture. Treating these acupoints of the ear can address difficulties experienced in those parts of the body the points refer to. Our ears massage technique makes the ear stand out from the head. Beginning at the bottom of the ridge, press and work your way up and back down, following the ridge. Give extra attention to points on the ridge that might be a little bit more painful or tender than others.